So good morning everyone. Today I will talk about how to improve about yourself. And today I am not only talk about how to improve about yourself, but also how to improve about your communication and etc. Because the so many student comment me, sir, how to improve English communication and how to build about yourself and how to develop about yourself. Because sir, I have no good teacher, and I have no good resources for the study, because my financial problem are not good, and the so many students are telling me, sir, when started hard working, the so many people laughing at me, sir. What is the reason for me, sir? Because I am doing a lot hard work throughout the day, so that I can do anything whatever he want in the society. So part of art, the student who has been started has been began your journey. Don't think about the people, because the people is a very bad people is a very people is a very stupid people is a very stupid. So first of all, you should think about your destination and about your parents and about your study, because when will you do hard work in your future and in your journey, and the so many the people live around you, when are you do hard work behind your behind your communication and laughing you. So why did you laughing at you? So first of all, so you don't you learn ignoring the people, because the people is very bad for all of you. So first of all, I want to say something about the student who are preparing other competitive examination, and he want one day I can do anything whatever he want in the society. So first of all, you trust about yourself. Without trusting about yourself, you can't do it, because it is necessary. The student who trusting about yourself, one day I can't do it, definitely he can do anything whatever he want in the society. So let's talk about a little about the motivation, because the so many student commented me, sir, how to feel motivation continue. Because when I feel unmotivated, I pick up my phone and scrolling the social media, for instance YouTube and chat gpt and chrome and instagram and facebook, and tap the tap the search button and search how to feel the motivate on the social media. And as soon as you search the social media, how the motivation is stated, the so many videos came in front of you, and you watching the video, and you think कि I will do hard work now. So it is incorrect for all of you. By the way, the such type students cannot do anything whatever he want in the society. So first of all is, you should study, you should study with motivation, not you should study with discipline, because discipline is a best teacher in the world. So first of all is, you should follow the discipline or not motivation, because motivation is the very dangerous thing for all of you. So I am requesting a lot for all of you, do not watching the motivated video, and do not watching the reel, and you don't wasting the you do not waste the a lot time behind the phone, because the phone is very well for all of you and very bad also and as well. So let's talk about the phone. The phone is very mandatory for all of you or not. Because the who student are preparing other competitive examination, and their parents salary is very less, and their parents cannot afford their further education, his further education, and he always he always think one day I can do it different for other. So first of all, you should a lot you should a lot of you should a lot of you should a lot you should learn a lot of through the social media, because social media is a such a platform, and social media is a such a website. The so many knowledge is available on the social media, but you should remember one point. You should social media only on purpose for your study, not other watching the wrong content. So definitely one day you can become the successfully person in the world, because the so many students the so many students used to watching the wrong content and adult content. The student who watching the wrong content every day, he get affect his health and mental activities, etc. So by the way, you don't think about the phone is very good for me, because by the way depend about yourself, how to use your phone, because the phone is the key of the success for the middle class boy and etc. The which student parent cannot afford the further education and your financial problem are not good, so then definitely you can do a study throughout the social media, because everything is possible through the social media. So first of all, if you use a phone the only on purpose for the study, otherwise not, because a phone is a most important for all of you. By the way, if you want one day can speak the fluency English, then you can do it. So first of all, so you trust about yourself, one day I can do it. Definitely when will you begin your journey, the so many people criticized you, you can't do it, because it is out of your capability. So don't think about the people's and what are telling you and what are saying to you people, because it's only on your target my study and my routine and your parents, because whenever you realize I can't do it, so first of all you should think about your parents, because your parents contributed throughout the life behind your future, and that one day my child feel my child one day I can do it whatever he want in the society. When my child one day became the successfully person, the poverty is reduced in at my home, because your parents is the so many your parents is so many hopes to you from you. So by the way, if your parents you get the opportunity for the study, so don't wasting your time, because time is a most important for all of you. The student who wasting time every day, the time is waste on day wasting on day. So I am requesting a lot for all of you, never waste the time, because time is a very costly, and you can also say time is very expensive for all of you. So so at this time this everyone this make me very motivated about my parents, about my guide about my guardians, because first of all I want to say something about me. My name is Amresh Kumar, and at this time I am preparing another competitive examination. At this times I am preparing Bachelor of Science, I simultaneously other competitive examination. My financial problem are not good, and my dad is doing agriculture season by season on his field. You can also say my father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife, and but my mother is a very my mother is a very special for me, because when when I used to study every day. This after studying this, I feel I had this very tired. My mother is prepared. My mother had prepared a very delicious food for me, and after doing lunch, I came to my coaching room and after began my journey. So first of all, you should think about your parents. Your parents is a very great motivation for all of you. If you think the motivation is came watching the short video on the social media, it is non correct. It is wrong because motivation is come observing around your people, because the so many people live around you. You feel the unmotivated, so you can't do it because this work's demand is very energy for, because let's talk about me. I am also a student, because I came from the very small and rural area. Because I told already, my financial problem are not good, and it's because I am not saying that I trust about myself one day I can't do it, because my parents, what happens, my parents have no more money, then I trust myself one day I can do it, because first of all, I want to say something about these words. The money are not decide your character, but decide your character, your hard work and patience. By the way, if you think the money is decide your character, it is wrong. Decide your character is a hard work and a lot doing hard work behind your future. So first of all, I am requesting a lot. You should do hard work behind your future so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society, because this is my very expensive information for all of you. So hey guys, my main hey guys, let's talk about my main point. My main point is how to improve English communication and how to build the consistency, because consistency is a most important for all of you, because the so many students are telling me, sir, I have no good teacher and I have no more money, because my parents cannot earn more money. And you can also say, sir, my parents can't afford my further education, cause if I have a lot money, then I can participate the private institution where I can improve about myself and develop how to speak the English communication, because it is wrong. So first of all, you trust about yourself, and you have a books, and you have a pens, so you are very very luck boy, because the so many students are living around you when are not he never goes to school, he never goes, he never goes to school, then also he confident myself one day I will do different in the world, so that one day I can do anything whatever he want in the society. So today I will talk about how to improve about yourself along, because do not depend each other, and the student who are preparing for other competitive examination, definitely is that students very less friends and very less relationship, etc., because as soon as you grow up in your future, when you are relative, you are observing, you have a good job. By the way, if you have not good job and if you have no money, so first of all is your relative, and especially you can also say your neighborhoods are treating about yourself, so that means that main person son is only doing the study throughout the day, his son only sitting inside the rooms and is only waste the times. So what are you doing at these times? I was go to outside from the village, and at this times I has been earned the 5 lakh rupees already. So what are you doing at your home? So sometimes I feel the unmotivated for me, but I trust about myself one day I can do it, because because I know already education is such a pain the which student follow it definitely he can do anything whatever he want in the society. So when the so many people criticize to youth, don't think about these people because the such people are very dangerous for all of you. uh, so uh, so let's a little talk about how to improve English communication. By the way, don't depend about other, you don't depend you don't depend about him, and you don't depend about them. First of all, I want to say something about yourself. You have a very great example. Definitely, I realize you that a boy you can change anything around the world. You do anything, you can do anything whatever you want in the society. For first of all, you trust about yourself, and if you are preparing other competitive examination, and if you are thinking one day I will do different for others, so definitely you can do anything because when you start your hard work and your journey, the definitely the so many people criticize you, you can't do it, but you don't you first of all before this you learn ignorance. Ignorance is a very largest teacher in the world. Ignore, you do ignore anyone and what are telling about you, don't listen. And you can anything, you can anyone, you can add anything about me. I do not get the effect for me. So anyway, and so let's talk about how to improve English communication. By the way, when are you realize I can't do it, and how to improve English communication. So first of all, so if you feel and say immediately and say utilize I am along here, so first of all, so you contact on these numbers 8795022472, because this is my personal phone numbers. And by the way, I am already available on the WhatsApp and the social media. But you can also say I am not always available on the social media. But you can connect me through the message on the WhatsApp. So this is my phone numbers, and if you want one day, if you want one day, I could speak the fluency English and I can't speak the fluency English. Please immediately contact on these numbers. Definitely this I will writing help to you. So thank you very much, very interesting. Thank you.